guys, in this video we will learn how to get user location from IP address in Laravel application. So let's see with the example, and we will use Steve Bowman location composer package to get current information. Okay, so I already downloaded fresh Laravel application. Okay, and you can see that it's also running over here. Okay, so now let me go, and this package will give you the, you need to just provide the IP address and you can get the information from the IP address. Okay, so first of all we need to install composer package. So I will say simply copy this and I will install Steve Bowman location package. Okay, so let's wait a moment to download. Okay, now it's installed, and let me run again the application. You don't have to do other things. So then next I will create the controller. So I will simply Mac controller and I will create demo controller. Okay, and you can see that it's created one controller over here. I will create one route over here, get, and like I will simply say IP address. So I will use demo controller colon class, and then I will simply say index, save it. Okay, and here I will simply use it, and that's called demo controller. Simply save it. Inside the demo controller I will create new method over here, and that's called index method. And what I will do, simply I will get the IP address. So you just need to get the IP address using the request object and IP. And then what we will do, simply go here into the documentation. We need to use this facade. Simply go and use that, save it, and let me run this. Okay, copy this. Okay, and paste it over here, and here you can see that there is just get. You need to pass your IP address like this way. So I will simply say IP and I will pass the IP address. Okay, and simply print out what I am getting. Okay, so simply go here and I will say save it. Okay, and yep, and now let me go and run the application again. So I will say php artisan serve. Okay, and now let me go here and I will say IP and hit enter, and you can see that there is a false. I am not getting the information from the IP address. Why? Because let me go here and let me show you the IP address. Save it. Okay, and refresh it. You can see that 127.0.01, that means that is the local IP address. So that's the reason I am not getting. So let me go here and change my IP address. For now, static IP address I will add, that I am using right now. This is my current IP address. So I will simply copy this. Okay, and paste it over here and save it. Okay, and now let me print it out. Okay, simply save it. Okay, and if I hit refresh, you can see that I can get all the information of my from my IP address. So when you upload this code to your server, then you will receive the information like country name, country code, and all the things. Okay, now let me print it properly. So I will simply say return view, and I will simply say location, and I will pass compact position and simply save it. Okay, and now let me go here into the resource view and I will create new file over here, and that's called location.blade.php, and I am going to use bootstrap. So you can say bootstrap cdn, and I will say laravel user location from IP. Okay, and here I will simply display the IP. So here I will check if there is a position. Okay, then and if, okay, and then I will display the information. And okay, and here I will simply say IP first. Okay, what IP I'm going to get, and that IP I am getting from position variable, position, and then I will simply say IP. Okay, that I displayed. Same thing, I will also display the country name. So here I will say simply country name, and I will this take from the position object. Okay, and same thing, if I go here and I will say currency code, what is the currency code for that? So I will simply say currency code. Okay, simply save it. Okay, and then also I can get what is the country code. Okay, so I will simply copy this. Okay, and I will simply say Yeah, let me remove this one. Okay, and here I will simply say country spelling. I will add country code, okay, and currency code, and this is the country code over here, and I will put it, okay, and same thing I will put the region code, okay, same thing I will put over here, and region code, and also I will get the region name, okay, and I will simply say region name, paste it, okay, and same thing I will also get the city name, okay, that's important for us to which city user is logging. So I will simply say city, and also zip code is very important for us, so I will say simply zip code, and simply I display the zip code over here, and same thing latitude and longitude at the end, so I will simply say let and long, so let and long, save it, okay, and same thing I will latitude, okay, paste it over here, so I can get all the information from the IP address. So then let me go here and refresh it, and you can see that I can display all the information. It takes my current IP address. Right now we pass the static because of the local host, but when you are upload this to the server, then you will get my this real IP, and you will get this all the information. So I hope guys you understand how easily you can use the Steve Booman location package and get the user location. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like my video then please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching guys.